welcome back to my channel, you guys. As from the video title, you already know what this video is going to be about. So today I'm going to show you my top 5 fragrances which I love. This will include body mist and perfumes, obviously. So if you're interested to know my top 5 fragrances, then keep on watching. I have just 2 mist, so let's just start with the mist. The first one here I have is this one. This is from Plump. This is the body loving body mist. Is the Hawaiian Roomba one. This smells just amazing. This is a full bottle of see in that, like आपको ऐसा लगेगा that you are sitting in a beach and this smells really nice. I just got it recently. Like I have been using this for last 1 month. You can see of how much I have used it. I used it daily and I just love this. I think Shreya Chen recommended it, and after that I got it and I loved it. Okay, the second one is the small one. This is the body mist honey and vanilla. This is from Forest Essentials. This was for 175 rupees. You just see, this is just a really nice tiny bottle. It's a glass bottle, by the way. This smells like vanilla, you guys. Yes, this is a mixture of coconut and vanilla, but इसमें honey लिखा हुआ है. But yes, I smell a little bit of coconut in this. This is really nice. I carry this with me. That is why I got in a really small bottle. I cannot travel with this huge bottles. And मैं घर में रहती नहीं हूँ. I study बाहर, तो मुझे हर weekend आना जाना पड़ता है. तो it's a really mess carrying out ऐसे बड़े बड़े bottles. This is, thank God, this is plastic, but this one is glass. और mostly perfume bottles comes in glass, you know that. And ऐसे कितनी बार हुआ है कि बैग में टूट जाता है, which is the last thing you want, right? So I really like the small bottles which you can carry it with you. आप कहीं पे भी बाहर जा रहे हो, you can use this. I love this. And also you can repurchase it if it gets over. It doesn't get over. I have this from the last 6 months, and you can see I use it, although I don't use it daily. I only use it when I'm out. I need a hint of freshness. That is when I use it. This is also a medium. I think it's not totally calm and it's not totally strong. Let's come to perfume and let's start with this bottle. You can see मैंने कितना use किया हुआ है. This is the Jovan Black Musk. I don't know, I got it like 1 to 2 years back. ये मेरा 2 years तक चल रहा था. I use it frequently, बहुत ज़्यादा. अभी तो हम लोग कहीं बाहर नहीं जा रहे, but then I used to use it a lot. I love this. I got this as a gift from my father or my mother as my birthday gift, and I don't know, I'll just try to link it down. अगर मुझे मिंत्रा या कहीं पे भी मिलता है, I'll just try to link it down. I love this. This is a very seductive smell, by the way, you guys. You put this, if you're going on a date, then this is the perfume you should go for. Like, this is so seductive and this is so nice. It has a really mild fragrance and it does stay in your body for a really long time. This is a disclaimer that I want to give, that I don't have so much idea about perfumes. I'm just showing you the things that I like to use, and I use it a lot, and I keep repurchasing the one. So this is why I'm showing you this. Perfumes repurchase करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती, but still that much you love a perfume, and that is when you repurchase it. So yeah. So the second one will be this one. This is from Guess. Look at the bottle. It looks so luxurious. I don't know variant. It comes in 3 to 4 variants. I'll just link it down below. I got this from Myntra. Yes, I got this from Myntra. And oh God, this smells divine. I cannot explain. It's like sweet lily smell. Yeah, it smells like that, and it also does stay in for a really long time. Like आराम से 5-6 hours तक चल जाता है. It's really good. It's that good, you guys. You should definitely try it. You can see how much I've used. You should totally give it a try. I love this perfume. Okay, then comes this. This is the Victoria's Secret Wild Palm. Actually, this came in a gift box. So इसमें ये green color का था, and something in orange color. I don't exactly remember. If I get a photo, I'll just post it here in the, so that you can see. I'll just show it to you. And I kept the packaging. I don't know why, I just kept it. So this is how the bottle looks. Look, the bottle looks so luxurious and it's so nice. Do you see how it looks? It looks so good. Again, this is my travel pack one. I always get something in travel pack because हम बाहर जाते हैं, हम travel करते हैं, so we need this. So this smells like this one is totally a bottle of coconut. If you like coconut flavor, you will like this. Like आप जैसे आप कहीं पर जा रहे हो, बहुत सारे coconut के trees हैं, the smell you get there is exactly the smell in this bottle. If you like the smell, I think you like it. I think I like it because it does stay in for a really long time. All of these perfumes, by the way, does stay in for a really long time. Like आराम से 4-5 hours तक चला जाता है. And especially this one, I like it so much because आप एक बार मैंने अपना एक ड्रेस धोने के बाद भी वो परफ्यूम का स्मेल नहीं गया था. And this one, when you smell it, it's different. And after that, when it melts into your body, it's different. The smell is different. I don't know how to explain it that, but yeah, I just forget to mention that. But yeah, this is how it is. This one. And this one, you can just get it if you want. Out of all the perfumes and mist, I'll say this one I got from Plump, which is recent one. This stays in your body for a really long time, and this was my favorite. मतलब mist में this is my favorite and perfume में this is my favorite. If you ask me, out of 5, I'll say that because this stays in your body for a really long time, you guys. I have tasted it, I know it. It does stay in your body for a really long time. Like मैं नहाती हूँ 1:30 around, and ये रात 10 बजे तक, 11 बजे तक, 12 बजे तक भी आपके बॉडी में रहता है. Like if you smell your hands, you can smell this. I was trying it out, so I know. I just love this. Yeah guys, with this I have completed my video. If you like this video, let me know if you have used any of these products, and let me know in the comments down below. I just let's have a chat of have you tried it, or which one is your favorite. Let me know. Yeah, so and if you even buy it, then let me know in my Instagram. I don't know अब Instagram चलने वाला है कि नहीं. We got the news. So if you like this video, guys, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell notification right next to it, so you always get notified whenever I upload a new video like this. So I'll see you next time. Bye guys, love you. Stay safe, stay home.